In this video, you will learn how to set hold ramp up on the GUI. From the hold ramp up drop-down list, you can adjust the ramp up time. If you select a higher value from hold ramp up, a startup hold current slope becomes gentler. This time, we'll check actual waveforms to see how the ramp up time changes when hold ramp up is set to 13% and 50%. First, let's begin with the load operation when hold ramp up is 13%. In this case, the ramp up time is startup hold time times 0.13. Click Run to rotate the load. Then, check the load operation and oscilloscope waveforms at once. Again, take a look at the ramp-up time of the operation you just saw. You can see the ramp-up time is as we set. Next, let's go on to the load operation when hold ramp up is 50%. In this case, the ramp-up time is startup hold time times 0.5. Click Run to rotate the load. Then, check the load operation and oscilloscope waveforms at once. Now, take a close look at the ramp-up time again. The ramp-up time is exactly as it is set. As we have demonstrated here, a higher value set in hold ramp-up means a gentler slope of the startup hold current. Select a ramp-up time that will be suitable for your application. Thank you for watching. We hope this video will help you.